relevant since philosophy and the development direction of Pancasila its aim overcoming nation of the problem. My name Ahmad Niamillah Al-Fasani, NIM 2011-2130, studi program Akidah and Islamic Philosophy, subject English. See philosophy of science and its relevance to the values of Pancasila. Philosophy of science and its relevance to the values of Pancasila. Philosophy of science is reflective thinking on matters relating to the foundation of science and the relationship between science and all aspects of human life. The philosophy of science is a mixed field of knowledge whose existence and expansion depend on the interrelationship and interplay between philosophy and science. Robert Ackerman defines the philosophy of science as a critical review of current scientific opinions by comparison against proven past opinions, or within the framework of measures developed from such opinions. Such a philosophy of science is clearly not a branch of science that is free from actual scientific practice. Rudolf Carnap uses the term science of science and provides a definition of the analysis and description of science from various points of view, including logic, methodology, sociology, and history of science. Analysis and description of science from various viewpoints including logic, methodology, sociology, and the journal of philosophy. The history of science. The philosophy of science as a source of knowledge is actually related to Pancasila. Pancasila as a way of life also has a lot of knowledge that should be developed by the philosophical discipline of science, which scientifically has positive values in shaping the character of the Indonesian nation. On the other hand, when talking about philosophy, there are two things that should be noted. First, philosophy as a method, and second, philosophy as a view. Therefore, here philosophy as a science will serve as a way of life. Regarding Pancasila as a way of life, certainly has a philosophical values contained in it, and even Pancasila has knowledge. Philosophically, Pancasila is a system of equal ideological values. This means that it contains noble values, basic values, instrumental values, practical values, and technical values in order for it to become the ideology of the nation and state of Indonesia that is sustainable but also dynamical. Developing its noble values and basic values must be permanent, while its instrumental values must be increasingly able to be reformed in line with the demands of the times. In addition, Pancasila can be used as a starting point of view in developing sense of knowledge, which in subsequent works is ontological, epistemological, and axiological aspects as the reason that for Pancasila as a philosophical school or ideology. Since the beginning, Pancasila was used as a Wiltenchaung or way of life of the Indonesian people, as well as the basic principles of the state. Thus, the contents of Pancasila are closely related to the values the underlying social affairs. When Pancasila is instead as a view of life, it means that Pancasila itself has knowledge which is actually very useful for the Indonesian people as guidance in the life of the nation and state. Pancasila, which is studied scientifically, is an object of discussion in which in general Pancasila is the result of Indonesian culture. The philosophy of science cannot be separated from Pancasila as a science, and Anton Becker in his analysis clearly Pancasila is a world view that can also be implemented with a philosophical power. Pancasila is a national philosophy that actually coincides with the soul of the nation. Here what emerges is the nation's knowledge capacity, for example, related to the nature of reality and truth. The essence of reality and truth as well as philosophical values are actually part of the ontology, epistemology, and axiology aspects that must be explored in the philosophy of science in an effort to develop Pancasila. The almighty and culminating in social justice for all Indonesians. As a worldview or philosophy, Pancasila is a cognitive intellectual reference for the nation way of thinking, which in scientific endeavors and can be built into a credible philosophical system. The material ingredients are various wisdom points and teaching in ethnic and religious cultures. Mastery of science in Indonesia must be guided in the sense of Pancasila. Pancasila serves as a point of view. This is a logical consequence of the teleological standpoint in science. Science is not value free, it is entered into the goddess Pancasila matrix.